This is the elevator at the Los Angeles International Airport. Switch. Get another elevator. One sec. Let me drink fountain before I go out. Let's get an elevator. Because I do not want someone coming here. Don't know who made these. Sorry.
First floor?
This is first floor.
Oh.
3. 5,000 pounds big elevator here. I need to see this. Not sure who made these. It better not be a third-party brand. Have a good day.
Third floor, going down.
Go. That's third floor, third floor.
Third floor, right? Thank you.
Fuck. Door close button does not work. I didn't mean to say that. Oh, I can't see in the camera. What the heck? £5,000. 3.
First floor, going up.
Watch it grows all the way. Can't be right now. Very nice elevator and it's nice and big. Watch this. 1.
Third floor, going down.
I do not want them to see me. Not sure who made these. They are fixtures. Get out.